Hello Coaster Universe, we are back here at Cedar Point for another RMC Mean Streak update. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer and we'll see what's going on. But as you can see right here, they're adding new headers, which appears to be some sort of double up turn up into the brake run. As we get closer to Mean Streak, you can see they've put up this fence all the way along, keeping people out from back here. But as you can see, it's still not hidden from sight. I see they're trying. It's open, but don't go back there. Since this is all the closer we can get to Mean Streak, I'm going to cut to a clip of me on the train, which you have some close-ups of down there, along with some track and all kinds of other things that are all throughout here. So here's the clip.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the train has come to a complete and final stop, and I'm instructed you to exit. The train does have a tendency to stop and roll back, so once again, remain seated until you are instructed to exit. Please remain seated. Please remain seated.
Okay, I was able to get a little bit closer. As you can see, they have completed the output of the 0G stall. They have now completed it down to where the double down, would we call it, is. I'm staying in just a ton of water because it's raining a lot today. But yeah, they have that done. Then what you can't see is you can see in other construction photos, and I showed you one of them earlier, is that they have a double up over here up into the brake run, and it dives down into some sort of double up outward bank back behind where it went up into the other turnaround underneath here. So yeah, we have that to look forward to in 2018. Now that the train is coming in, I'm going to sign off with this update. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete and final stop.